Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the Avon Park Earl Models Cup. We're going to take up the FMS Futura 64. The green, this comes in green, yellow, and red. I chose the green because I just like the way it looks. So we're going to take it up, and when we get done, I'll show you where I got my battery placement and where she CG's at. Right, left, down, right, left. Wind is basically out of the north. So timer set for 3.5 minutes. Show you an interesting feature of this plane.
Braking. Brakes off.
It has backup or reverse thrust, which I don't suggest using that in flight. It kind of messes things up. All right, here we go. Just so you're aware, I'm running a 2700 Superior 4S inner. A little bit of slow flight right now.
Landing flaps.
And bring her by close to us. Now green and silver show up real well. Bring her by slow.
Flaps up.
So I'm going to take her up. There we go. Needs a little bit of left aileron trim, but that's a lot of that wind is out of the north, so. But I'm running for receiver a AR620 antenna-less receiver, enter. Let's see if we can't get a landing out of this thing. Well, I'm going to go around.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Very stable plane. All right, a little Tokyo slide there at the end.
Flaps up.
And I always forget about my reverse thrust. All right, we're going to just take off from down there. All right. There we go.
Brakes off.
Remember the braking at the very last. Also, I used no flaps that time. All right, we're going to use takeoff flaps this time.
Flaps up.
All right, we're going to bring her right down the runway.
Time remaining.
Full speed. That's full speed. You got her? All right.
Landing flaps. Braking.
All right.
Flaps up. Brakes off. 30 seconds.
We got 30 seconds. We're going to take off from this direction and land from that direction down there.
Seconds.
All right.
Ten, 9, 8. Braking.
All right.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Brakes off.
All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is the FMS Futura 64. And what do you ever always want to hear before you touch the plane?
Prop secured.
Prop secured or motor off. That's right. Okay. To show you where I have the 2700 Liperior battery is basically right up at the very end of the wood. Right there is the AR620 antennaless receiver. And CG on this plane, I don't remember the actual numbers, but can you see it on the film? See them little black marks? If you put your finger in, and basically about, almost halfway down the wing is where the CG, I'm sorry, I forgot the actual numbers, but it's basically right there, and she's CG just perfect right there. So, all right, let me look on the bottom where I can give you landmarks. If you look on the bottom of the plane, you've got these cutouts, these panel lines right here, basically right there at this corner of these panel lines on the underside is where she CG's at. So yeah, that's about right. Well, anyways, folks, there you go. That is the FMS Futura 64mm. She's got trailing link suspension. She's just a good, solid flying little jet. Oh, I want to say she's 189. She's got flaps, she's got reverse, and hey, you can't go wrong. If you use my link and my code that'll be in the description of this video, you can take $10 off the price. And that code, all caps, FGFRC, FGFRC, and then you can take 10 bucks off the price. I mean, 10 bucks is 10 bucks. All right, folks, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and jets. Bye-bye. Folks, real quick, I forgot I was going to check the battery. Ran for a full 3.5 minutes, minus 1 second. I like to show you how much is left in the battery. On that 2700, after a 3.5 minute flight, I'm at 14% or 3.7 per cell. So that's a perfect storage rate. Usually when you buy a new battery, it'll come to you in the mail at 14%. So that's a storage rate. I like them more like 20%, but that's not bad. So really, 3 minutes and 15 seconds would be better on a 2700 4 cell. So anyway, just want to add that. Forgot to. Bye.